So I hope this works out. I just recorded all the opening of this box. Not a big open box fan anyway, but I'll show you what was in it, just in case I lost that footage, because it looks like I did. This is what I have purchased. Foam cannon for my pressure washer. Amazon, 25 bucks. We're gonna see how it does tonight. Basically, it comes with the gun, the mixing valve. It also comes with tips so that you can actually use this same gun to rinse. I like the idea, and the short gun's kind of cool, but you know, something about having the longer wand I think is good. The soap container itself, just a cheap plastic container. I was thinking this was going to be something different, but obviously it's just going to pull from. So I do have the, again, easy little mixing valve. We're going to go out, we'll fire up this pressure washer. We'll see what it does. We're going to see exactly what happens whenever I put this thing out there. So yeah, Dusichin foam cannon is Dusichin. I don't know what that says. Frankly, I don't care. We're not going to the shop, but let's go to the driveway. Alright, what I'm going to be pouring in is this Tough Mudder Power Truck Wash, Chemical Guys. I've used it before and it's a good soap, but again, the foam cannon I had was more like a kind of soapy water spraying across the top. See if I can hit this, hold this and hit this. What do you guys think? Won't be able to do it? Hey, look at that. It spilled a little. Shit. A little dribble. It happens. But you can see right there, just a little. That's all you really need, and I'm gonna fill this thing at least about halfway up with water, good hot water. Put it all together, and I'll get my pressure washer hooked up. Well, the wife's mowing, and this pressure washer is kind of loud, so I'll let you guys watch what happens with this foam cannon. Several adjustments. We'll play with it a little bit. sure does a good job. Now there's some other settings. I've got it done on a lower setting so it blows a good foam. There's some wider ones, there's some different stuff. Depending on your pressure washer, probably does different. I've got the soap turned all the way down. So I don't know, maybe I'll change my mixture with soap, play with that a little bit. It'll get better. But right now, I'm happy with what I got. So I'm gonna rinse this thing off and just see what it looks like with just a sprayed in of soap and water. Pretty much exactly what I expected. You know, foam cannon and then spraying it off. It's not going to clean your truck. So if you think that this is some magic thing, you spray soap on and you rinse it off, it's not going to do that. However, it distributes soap evenly. You can spray this whole truck and have somebody with a good wash mitt rubbing down this truck behind you. Soap is everywhere, so it's great to distribute that. You don't have to keep dipping in a bucket, things like that. But if you think it's going to clean it without that, no, it's just not going to happen, guys. You still have to wash your truck. But man, it is really, really great to have that foamy soap everywhere when you start to scrub. So if you're buying a foam cannon, make sure you know what you're getting, and what you're getting is make sure you understand what you're buying. You're buying a soap distribution, not something that'll wash. You still have to use a mitt. You still have to get everything hand and do it, but it's going to be a whole lot quicker and a lot easier than a bucket. So I think it looks pretty cool too.